Welcome to my crib.
You gonna show us around your van then?
Have you looked at it?
It's a long way down there.
Are we there yet?
Good morning people, welcome back to the channel. So this is where we stayed last night. Lovely little spot actually. We're just in Exmoor National Park. I don't know whereabouts in Exmoor we are because it was snowing last night when we got here. It was a bit sketchy on the way in, so we had to pull over about 20 minutes before the park up we were supposed to go. We ended up staying here. Lovely little spot. It was covered in snow last night. Not sure what the plan is today. I think we might go down to Tar Steps, which is like the south of Exmoor National Park, or we might go up north to Lynmouth, and there's something else, some rock, something or other Lauren wanted to see, so we might catch you there. We've also got a special guest with us this weekend. If you haven't seen that van before, it's my sister. So she's self-built a van with my dad. She was in one of the previous videos and there was nothing in there, just a mattress, but now it's all finished, so we'll give you a little van tour later when she wakes up. Right, we've had breakfast. I'm just going to take Oslo for a quick wee now, and then I think we're going to head up to Minehead. I need to go to Tesco's, grab some bits and bobs, and then that's it really. I don't know where we're going after that. We'll find out. Mollie and Lauren are now awake, so we've had a cup of tea and a coffee and had some egg on toast. We'll head back in a sec and then show you around Mol's van. Morning.
Welcome to my crib.
You gonna show us around your van then?
If you'd like a tour.
We'd love a little tour because it was a little bit different last time we've seen it.
I was going to say a few changes have been made since last time I invited you round. Come on in.
This is looking good. So this is the bed then?
Living room area, turn, bed.
Drop down bed. So what happens then? You got to pull it out of there?
Yeah, so this is the stand, pull it down, and basically this whole area turns into the bed.
Lovely.
Obviously move all the pillows and stuff out.
Wicked.
I'll show you that later. And then this is where everything else happens. Kitchen, oven, sink, and then all this is just storage really, and my fridge.
Plenty of storage.
Toilet hiding down the back.
It's looking better than it was last time.
Doing some decorating. Hello!
Hey, look at that. Right, should we head to Tesco's?
Let's go.
I also forgot to mention that Lauren is a little bit poorly. When we got back from skiing, I caught the flu from the kiddie I work with, Ben. Thanks for that, you divvy. So we've been extremely ill for the past 3 weeks. We've managed to get out this weekend. She doesn't want to get out of bed.
I think we're going to go to Lynmouth. Good morning. Yeah, I'm not feeling well. You wait there, baby. I'm not feeling well. I got this flu that's going round. Have you locked it?
She's locked.
I'm gonna go get a load of soothers and things. I can't talk. So we've bought some microphones.
Microphones?
So because someone lost the little because someone lost the little muff thing on this camera, we bought some new DJI mics, but we left the cable at home. So we bought one in Tesco, a metre long.
It's the shortest one they do.
So we're gonna go and park. We're in Minehead. We're gonna go to the beachfront and have some breakfast. Have you unlocked it? Oh God. Oh, that felt weird. Oh, I can breathe. Oh my god, that was instant. Still sound nasally though. So we've just driven a few minutes down the road to Minehead. We're gonna sit and make some breakfast, look out at the sea, and then there is an amusement park opposite, so I'm more than likely gonna go in there. We got our new DJI mini mics on. You'll hear how nasally I sound. I got yogurt and fruit for breakfast, and then we're gonna go for a walk. Have you looked at it?
She's locked.
Hey.
I think he wants to go to the beach.
Does it say no dogs? Ice cream.
4 for £2.
Bubblegum.
Rocky Road.
They aren't tiny titties. These are tiny titties. I got some rock for Tommy, Louie, Ben and Chloe because they are looking after Oslo when we go skiing in a few weeks' time. There is Rhea as well, but she's too young to have. She's like 1 year old, so she can't have rock. But thank you guys so much for looking after him. He can't wait. Oh, dogs are allowed. You ready? What do we do?
52.
Where did I come? Did I lose?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Does anyone else walk around and check, see if any 2Ps have fallen out? You got one?
Oh, got one.
No way. Oh, I wouldn't go there, Mel.
Yeah, I know, just thought that.
Oh, I want a 10,000. Oh, you beat me.
I won. Oh, I can't see it on there. I had 19,000. She had 12,000. Is that all your winnings?
In one mouthful.
Oh.
She's obsessed, isn't she?
We're on our way to Lynmouth, which is a little village in Devon. It's kind of on the outskirts of Exmoor, and it looks really pretty. And it's next to the Valley of Rocks, I think they call it.
You can explain.
So we said earlier that we had new mics, DJI minis. I don't know if you heard it, but I unplugged the aux cable and then didn't plug it back in properly. So I think the last few hours of footage, there's no audio.
We've got no audio at all, so we just B-rolling the whole Linton and Lynmouth.
Well, if you wonder why there's a voiceover, you'll find out afterwards. It's my fault. Sorry.
Idiot!
Oh, wow. Aww.
Oh, wow.
Oh, windy.
Wow.
Are you sure there's a path that goes round? Do you like Mollie's hat?
Well,
Oh. This is a bit dangerous actually, two on this little path. We got the same hat. Cute.
Hiya!
Where's your double bubble?
Double bubble. I haven't got one on, unfortunately.
Oh, there is a path. Parkour.
It's a bit treacherous, this.
I've always got the wrong footwear on. I got buffaloes on, but they're pretty chunky.
good boy.
Come on then. Good boy.
Oh. Oh my god, it's windy. Harry, what are you doing?
It's a long way down there.
Do it for the vlog.
Do you want to go have a look?
Nope.
Oh.
If anyone's gonna fall, it's gonna be me. Should we make some dinner?
Yeah, let's get some grub on.
Or should you go down? Careful.
Good boy. Come on then. Go this way. This way. Yeah. Good boy.
She's got a bag of waffle though. Oh fucking Jesus Christ.
Back in the van. What's for dinner?
Halloumi fajitas. Have you unlocked it? I wonder if you can hear me panting.
Oh, I haven't locked it.
Yeah, you did. So we're making halloumi fajitas. Pause. Onion. Sorry, did you have your tea in your hand? Cheese. And wraps. Is that it? And then what's it?
Is that how you're gonna put
It is all cut. Yeah, you might have to fiddle with that back.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I think.
This bit doesn't look very beautiful, but
I was
I'm not gonna lie.
The presentation is just
Christ, it's never gone like this. I think it's because I put the seasoning on. Thanks, gang. Sorry. We've just left Valley of the Rocks and now we are driving to our park up for tonight. We're going to do a wild camp somewhere that we have been before. It's called Webber's Post and it's up on the top of Exmoor.
It's Dunkery Wood or something, I think it's called. Those fajitas were absolutely banging, by the way.
We are going to go park up, maybe play a few games this evening, get Mollie round. But we should all bundle in Mollie's van actually.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah, we'll get Mollie's van.
And then we will probably show you the park up first thing tomorrow when it's actually light, because we've only got about half an hour of daylight left and we are just over half an hour away.
Where would you like to park?
We normally go there, but I think that's the flat spot in the corner, isn't it? There's normally motorhomes up here.
We're off to bed. We've been chilling in Mollie's van tonight, playing card games and Shut the Box, which, did you get that for, wasn't a Christmas present, was it? It was just a van present.
No, it's just a new van present.
New van present. We'll catch you guys in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Good morning.
Thank you.
What are these little footprints, eh?
Naughty dog. Oh.
Good morning.
Morning. Have you looked it? Good morning. I didn't sleep well last night. I'm not well. I think I said yesterday, but I don't know if the audio was on, so you probably didn't hear me, but yeah, I'm still not well. It wasn't anything to do with the park up. This place is lush. I think we're going to go take Otto for a walk. And some fresh air, do me some good.
Good morning. So we stayed at Weber's Post last night in Dunkery Wood, is where we were supposed to stay on Friday night, but it was snowing. We couldn't get up the hill, so we stayed somewhere else. We've had teas and coffees and had our breakfast this morning. Now we're just taking Oslo for a little walk.
Oh, it's a little bit slippy. Oh, yep.
A bit of a blockage in the path.
Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
Guesstimations on time and distance. Time that we've been walking and distance we've been walking.
45 minutes.
Laz, time and distance.
40 minutes, 2.8k.
So when I asked, it was 37 minutes
Oh! That's a bit tight.
and it's 2.48 kilometres.
If it was 37 and a half, which it could have been, then we joined.
I reckon Moll won time, you won distance. And we're back.
You've
Yes.
unlocked it.
It's unlocked. That was a lovely little walk through the woods. We are now just heading home, so that's going to be the end of the video. We hope you've enjoyed the video, and we shall see you guys next week.
Hopefully we're feeling better next week as well. I'm sick of being ill. If anyone else has had this flu, it wipes you for weeks. But yeah, see you next week.
Yeah, feels like I've been kicked in the face. I think it's 3 weeks now we've been ill, so we'll see you next week. Hopefully we'll feel a little bit better.